Hi everyone. In this video we will be seeing the price, colors, specifications and features of POCO X2. Welcome to our channel Tech Prime Info. The POCO X2 is available in 6 plus 64 GB variant priced at Rs 15,999, 6 plus 128 GB variant priced at Rs 16,999 and 8 plus 256 GB variant priced at Rs 19,999. This mobile comes in Matrix Purple, Phoenix Red and Atlantis Blue colors. This smartphone features a 6.67-inch Full HD plus HDR10 display with 120Hz refresh rate. It has a quad rear cameras that packs a 2MP macro sensor, 8MP ultra-wide-angle, 2MP depth sensor and 64MP wide-angle main camera. It has a dual in-screen front cameras that packs a 20MP wide-angle main camera and 2MP depth sensor. It is backed by a 4500 mAh battery and powered by a 27-watt fast charger. It runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor and Adreno 618 GPU. The smartphone runs on MIUI 11 based on Android 10 OS. The POCO X2 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor to unlock smartphone. This mobile features LiquidCool Technology. It boasts Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and P2i Splash-proof Coating. The X2 has an USB Type-C charging port, 3.5mm audio port and IR blaster which can be used as a remote controller. The mobile has Head SAR Value 1.080 Watt per kg and Body SAR Value 0.620 Watt per kg.